Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dallas County in north-central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over South Lake, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hearst, Watauga, Colleyville, and North Richland Hills around 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fort Worth, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, and Haltom City around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Arlington and Richland Hills around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mansfield and Everman around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rendon around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Burleson around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Westlake. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 38 and 48. Interstate 35E between mile markers 412 and 445. Interstate 20 between mile markers 437 and 473. Interstate 30 between mile markers 16 and 48. Interstate 635 between mile markers 23 and 36. Interstate 820 between mile markers 19 and 35. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy 21 p.m. Central Daylight Time.